Here we got B, Randy, and then he just went for a jump.
Let's go.
How do you think Bradley's gonna do on this, Vince?
Gonna be all right. Heart pumping.
How's he gonna do out there?
Oh man, I think he's gonna be great. You're gonna be great.
Just know that's it. Back. Just know when you're up there, you're screaming no, no, no. All I hear is what? Go, go, go. We're out of the plane.
We're out of the plane. Let's do it.
All right, on man. Let's put it right there.
Yeah.
It's gonna be fun. Let's do it. Woo! B Radley,
Here we go.
my man.
We're gonna have so much fun out there.
Let's do it.
Get off the couch. Set up.
Let's do it.
Yeah.
Talk to him.
What do you guys think about that?
That was amazing.
So
that was amazing.
So
awesome.
Heck yeah, you're coming back is what
We're
I'm
coming
hearing.
back. We're coming back.
Right, maybe tomorrow.
Yes.
You guys are awesome. Give me one up
Yeah,
top, give me one there.
go.
Hey, one more thing before we go. Wave goodbye to the folks at home.
See you later.
See ya.